Mr. Abdul! Mr. Abdul! Hey! Mr. Abdul, you there?
Yes? Yes, Mr. Abdul speaking here.
Hey, Mr. Abdul! Could you spare a little change?
Change I am not having, but if you are hungry, I will be giving you a sandwich.
Well, hey, that'd be great. Thank you, Mr. Abdul. Thank you, yeah, thank you.
Please, come back to the kitchen and I will find a sandwich for you.
Oh, thank you, Mr. Abdul. You're so kind. Thank you there, Mr. Abdul.
Oh, you can stop thanking Abdul. I am just being your humble servant, Abdul.
Oh, well, thank you there, Abdul. Oh, okay, I'm coming around back to the kitchen. Yeah, thank you there, Abdul.
Would you be having the slushy with the sandwich?
Oh, well, thank you there, Abdul. Into the go. Yeah, thank you, Mr. Abdul.
I will be coming. A stranger. Perhaps this is the angel sent by God that I should be taking care of. Yes. I am not knowing this man. He could be the angel. I must be very careful.
What? What are you talking about?
This is the angel that I am showing the hospitality to the stranger.
What stranger? That was just homeless Joe. He hangs around here all the time.
But to me, Abdul, he is being the stranger. And we are being required by God to be entertaining strangers.
What? What you talking about? You gonna entertain Joe? What are you gonna do? Sing, dance?
The rat is not understanding the English that I am speaking.
You got that right. I don't think anybody else understands either.
God is requiring us to show kindness to strangers, rat. To visitors, to guests. And we must be showing kindness to these people that we are not knowing.
Is that some kind of Persian proverb thing? Huh?
No. I am thinking that this was spoken by God and recorded in the Bible.
The Bible, huh?
Yes. Do not be forgetting to show kindness to guests, for the guests may be angels of God. This is in the Bible book of Hebrews, I am thinking.
But that's no angel. That's just homeless Joe.
And how is this rat knowing that he is not the angel?
Anybody can just look at Joe and tell he's no angel.
So the rat is looking at the clothes of this man and saying that he is no angel.
Yeah, and he's got a funny hat, too.
Rat, can you be telling the sweetness of the watermelon by looking at the green outside?
Here we go with the watermelons again.
You cannot see the inside of the person by looking at the person on the outside.
Okay, I give up. You're right. You can't judge a book by its cover.
This is very good, Mr. Rat. One cannot be judging the writing on the book by looking at the cover of the book.
Close.
Abdul will be having to remember that. You also must be showing kindness to strangers, Rat.
Well, say, what about me? I could be an angel, too.
The rat being the angel.
What's so funny about that? It can happen.
Okay, Mr. Rat. You come to the kitchen, too. And I will make the sandwich for the rat. The rat being the angel.
Hey, what's so funny? What's so funny? It could